Welcome to OpenTutti. I'm Hudson Dong, the founder of this platform. OpenTutti is a completely free music learning platform designed to connect music theory with the skills students actually use when they listen, read, practice, and create music. I built it because theory is often taught as isolated information, while useful practice tools are scattered across different websites. OpenTutti brings those pieces together in one place and makes them accessible to every student. Let's begin with the ear training gym. Students can build a custom practice session instead of being limited to one fixed exercise. The available drills include pitch, intervals, scales, chords, and cadences, and each drill has its own settings. In this pitch example, I can practice absolute pitch or identify a note after hearing a reference note, C. I can also choose how I want to answer, adjust the note range, and change other exercise settings. The program plays the sound, I select my answer, and the result appears immediately. After each question, OpenTutti does more than mark the answer right or wrong. It can replay the sound, show the notes on the staff, and explain the relationship between the reference note and the target note. At the end of the session, students can review their results and see which skills need more practice. Next is the theory testing gym. This section uses the same idea of customizable practice but focuses on written theory. Students can work on pitch, intervals, scales, chords, cadences, and key signatures. Here, I'm creating a scale identification exercise. I can control the clef, note range, direction of the scale displayed, display format, and specific scale types that may appear. This makes it possible to create a basic exercise for a beginner or a much broader and more difficult set for an advanced student. The questions are generated from the selected settings. After I answer, OpenTutti gives immediate feedback and a short explanation. When the session ends, the summary page shows the score, reviews every question, and identifies target areas. The goal is not only to give students a number, but to show them what they understand and what they should practice next. The sight reading coach generates new exercises for focused reading practice. Students can begin with one of 3 levels and then adjust the exercise in detail. The controls include clef, key signature, time signature, number of measures, note range, tempo, and rhythmic difficulty. Students can also decide whether to allow accidentals, wider leaps, or other challenges. Once the settings are ready, OpenTutti generates a new score. Students can hear the starting pitch or play the full melody. They can also reveal note names, solfege, or rhythmic counts after attempting the exercise. Below the score, OpenTutti provides sight reading reminders and shows the specific skills being tested, so the exercise is connected to a clear practice goal rather than being a random line of music. OpenTutti also includes tools for composition and written music work. In OpenTutti Lab, students can begin with a blank score or use a structured template, such as a scale, arpeggio, interval, or rhythm building activity. The blank score provides a simple workspace for creating and hearing music. Students can choose the key signature, time signature, number of measures, instrument, clef, and other score settings. They can add or remove notes and rests, change note values, add accidentals, work with different voices, and play the result back. These tools can be used for a short theory exercise, a teacher-created activity, a teaching lesson, or the beginning of a student's own composition. Finally, OpenTutti can be used independently or through a classroom. Students can create an account, join a class with the code, complete assignments, and continue practicing freely outside their assigned work. Teachers can create a class, share the join code, build assignments from the practice tools and settings, and review student results. The guides explain the setup process step by step, and the site also explains its use of audio, microphones, and classroom information. OpenTutti is still growing, and user feedback will help shape what comes next. The platform is completely free to use, and its purpose is simple: music theory and practice together for for every student.